Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Many people fall sick recently. Yeah? Even my wife is not feeling well. The weather is too extreme. When it is hot, it is super hot. And then if not, it will suddenly rain, yeah, very heavily. So people get sick very easily. That's why today I actually feel like making something nutritious for my family, yeah. I also feel like drinking some very nice chicken soup. Then it is very easy to make. And I'm going to make use of chicken essence. You can use any brand that you can find, no problem at all, yeah. So I have some kampong chicken here. You can use any kind of chicken you have also, no problem. Cut into chunks. Then we will give it some salt, yeah, fine salt. Next thing, I'll give it some Shaoxing wine. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, you just omit the Shaoxing wine. Then I will give it some chicken essence. Later, after steam, it will create more sauce as well. Yeah, but I would like to have a little bit more soup, so I will add a little bit of water, yeah, filtered water here, because so that later I can have more soup. And we will put in the ginger slices. Last but not least, few dashes of white pepper. Done. We can then send it to the steamer. That's how simple it is. So I already preheat my steamer to at least 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then we shall carefully put in the chicken. And let it steam for around 15 to 20 minutes. My chicken today is not very big. This is actually half of the chicken. So I'm going to just steam it for, I think, 15 minutes, good enough. I've decided to add some goji berries. So you can take out some goji berries here. Give it a bit of filtered water. Just let it soak for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we can garnish it on the chicken after the chicken is been steamed. Alright, this is after about total, the steaming time is approximately 15 minutes. Then I let it rest inside the steamer for another 2-3 minutes. Let's open it right now. Wow! Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Check it out. Check it out. Wow! Alright, let me zoom in for you right now. Focus. Look at how beautiful it is. And we have a lot of chicken stock with chicken essence. Right, here's my chicken and the chicken stock plus the chicken essence. And not forgetting, we have some goji berries. Alright, done. That's how simple it is. And let me assure you, this is very, very yummy. Now, you can also put one layer of veggie at the bottom if you like, or mushroom. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen, alright? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page, you click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.